Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters. This is another verse from the Quranic reflection series, and it is from Surah Al-Baqara. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَ بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ لَا تَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. I made a covenant with the Israelites. Worship none but Allah and be good to parents. That's verse 83. This verse addresses the importance of treating parents well. The first point of reflection is that after Allah told us to worship Him alone, the very next commandment was to be kind to our parents. This underscores the importance of treating our parents well. We only have one set of parents, and we have a responsibility to treat them well as they treated us when we were small. The second point of reflection is that Allah also says elsewhere in terms of treating parents well that we should not even say uff to them. Uff. We should be most respectful to them. As the Prophet ﷺ said, that the one who is not respectful to our elderly is not a true Muslim. It's that serious. The third point of reflection is that it goes without saying that we should keep our parents with us, especially in their old age. We should serve them as they served us in our infancy. The Prophet ﷺ said, the truly lost is whoever is with his or her parents until they become old and fails to attain paradise by honoring and taking care of them. This is an opportunity for paradise. That's the greatest loss that lies ahead of us if we don't look after our parents. Barakallahu fikum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.